Nice to meet you, all of you. Dear distinguished guests from the UNESCO, UNEVOC East and Southeast Asia Cluster member centers, and other special guests both from Korea and abroad. My name is Go HyeWon, not HyeWon Go, because in Korea we usually the first the family name and second my given name. I'm the president of KRIVET. Welcome all of you to this workshop. I'd like to extend my special thanks to Dr. Kim Ju-seop from the Korea Association of Skills and Qualifications for his today's keynote speech, and Dr. Jo, Korean Council for University College Education, who will deliver a special topic presentation tomorrow. I also thank Dr. Friedrich Hubler. He is the head of the office at the UNESCO UNEVOC International Center for Tibet, because he cannot travel to Korea this time. He sent us congratulatory remarks via a video clip instead. KRIVET signed an MOU with UNESCO in 2000, and UNESCO designated KRIVET as an excellent center in the Asian region. Since then, we have actively worked to promote and strengthen international cooperation in Tibet as the regional cluster coordinator. Currently, we are facing another era of a great transition. In this era, cooperative global networks are very essential to address digital transformation, climate crisis, robust race, and aging societies. In response, we are holding this workshop under the theme for a successful transition of Tibet digital capacity and connection. This year's workshop will spend 2 days, today and tomorrow. The morning sessions include topic presentations and networking opportunities. The afternoon sessions will feature study visits to KRIVET, a Tibet-specialized high school, the textbook curriculum museum, and other institutions near this Sejong city. For the various topic presentations, we are honored to have all of you from abroad. From now on, I will tell you your names, but please understand that the pronunciation, your name, may not be accurate. Dr. Margarita Pavlova from the UNEVOC Hong Kong Center, right? Thank you. Dr. Apero Ismail from the University Tun Hussein on Malaysia. Thank you. Mr. Naron Bung from Cambodia. Thank you. Dr. Tungalak Simid from Mongolia. Dr. Yu Wenxi from China. Thank you. Dr. HyeWon from Myanmar. Thank you. Deputy Director Byun Lan Hung from Vietnam. Thank you so much. Dr. Kamcharon Bold from Mongolia. And Ms. Leni Martini, Regional Focal Point for Asia and the Pacific UNEVOC Network from UNESCO UNEVOC Headquarters. Thank you. You will share your insights on governance, research, and practical cases of your centers or countries in the Tibet field. Also, I'd like to thank Dr. Kim Chol-hee in KRIVET, Professor Lee from Sungsil University, and Dr. Namgung Jun, maybe tomorrow, and Professor Song for their contributions as chairs for sessions. Through this workshop, we will share and discuss key issues such as the digitalization of Tibet, efforts to ensure quality Tibet, and public-private partnerships in Tibet. It will also be an opportunity to promote and share Korea's Tibet knowledge and experiences. As UNESCO UNEVOC's regional member centers, KRIVET is committed to continuing our role as a platform, sharing the knowledge and best practice of K-Tibet by actively collaborating with the other UNEVOC cluster member centers in East and Southeast Asia. Finally, I express my sincere gratitude to all the participants and my colleagues who coordinated this workshop. I hope the workshop be successful and all of you have a meaningful and great time in this Sejong City with KRIVET. Thank you very much for your attention.